Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul, an amazing Dollar Tree haul. Alright y'all, let's get started. I hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Alright, so up first, y'all know I love purple, right? Purple is my absolute favorite color. Purple and gold. Okay, so today I found these pretty crocus is what they're calling them. Okay, they're called crocus. Oh my. They're called crocus, if I'm not mistaken. Crocus? Yes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all, these are so pretty. You can maneuver them to, bend them any way you want, which I think is very nice. Yes, and a bushel of these together are so pretty. It's like a violet purple, if you would. So pretty. This will be in my spring tablescape. Okay, I do believe I'm going to use purple. I was going to use another color, like a greenish pale green, but I think I'm going with my purple. Yep. So $1.25. Okay. So I got those. Okay. Excuse me for bending down. Okay. Right there on my chair. And I also have these right here. Hanging greenery bush. That's all they're called. Okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all might see these hanging from my chandelier, okay? Yes, 5 of these. I thought these were absolutely beautiful. I got these last year, but I used them, I use them throughout the year, I believe. Yeah, these are beautiful. You can put these in a vase. A couple of them and let them droop down. I love the droopiness of it, the cascading of it. Very nice. Yep. I got those. And I also, from the the Plus, Dollar Tree Plus, I got these right here, y'all. These are gorgeous. I had my eyes on these. I was like, let me pick these up before they be gone. It's a garland. Of course, I'm not going to use it as a garland. I will be cutting these up and using the eggs. Okay, all right. Look at that silver, so pretty. And green. These are $5. Okay, very well made. This goldish color. Very pretty. I thought those were very pretty. I absolutely love them. Yes, very pretty. Like I say, you can use it as a garland, but I'm going to cut these off and put them in a vase or something. Okay. And in Crafter Square, I have these 2 flowers here. I believe they're peonies. Look like peonies, okay? It's just wall decor. I'm using this for my job. Okay, and it also has this white flower on the back. Okay, and I have 2 of these. Okay, I have 2 of these. Alright. I have 2 of those. And I also picked up these butterflies here. I thought they were so cute. Which one of these are my favorite, y'all? Which one is my favorite? You choose, you pick. Okay? Put it down in the description box. Which one is my favorite? Okay. Alright, and I also picked up some socks. Okay, it's like 3 pair. The jump drawer. Okay, y'all, I can't get that out. Jump drawer socks. Okay, these are nice and soft. Okay, I might share these with my daughter. Either get these. She ain't gonna be crazy about all these colors, but you can't see them anyway. Anyway, it has the toe the same color as the heel, and they're very soft, and they look to be very comfortable. So yeah, 3 for $1.25. Can't go wrong with that, right? And I pulled my socks off at lunchtime today before I went out because, honey, it got up to 63 degrees. Yeah, it got up to 63 today here in New Jersey. Okay. I also picked up these here lights. I wanted to see how they work on my chandelier. Soft white. I should have got daylight. I don't know if they had daylight, but that's what I should have got. But I got soft white. I want to see how these work in the dining room because it's so dark in there, and the chandelier is like they have like those real soft white, like, I don't know, I can't describe it, but it's just a little too dark in there for when I do my tablescapes and stuff. That's why I have my flash on, but I'm gonna make it work. Okay, and here I have the brownie mix. I promised my daughter I would make her some brownies so she can make them one or the other. Okay, it just need a third cup of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of water and 1 egg. And you got brownies. I might cook these tonight, but you gotta put half of them with pecans for me. Okay, because I love my brownies with nuts. Okay, so I got this. And yeah, these pecans, the chopped pecans, I usually like walnuts, but pecans will do. And these are the expiration date. I don't see. Expiration date is 9/1/24. Okay, 9/1/24. And the expiration date on this one is see one on here. I do not. It said best used for, oh, okay. Ooh. October 24th, 2024. Okay, right up there on the blue. You can barely see it. Okay, all right. And I always get these here yards, y'all. I love these. I use these on my job all the time. I use them here. I have a pack here. I have a pack in my car. I just absolutely love these. They are very good. They're nice and thick, and they smell amazing. Amazon's selling these for 1 pack. I think it's for $7 something. You get it at the Dollar Tree for what? $1.25 a piece. Yes. I always pick these up. This is a staple when I go to the Dollar Tree, okay? Alright. So, I also picked up this here luxury nail polish remover with the convenient pump, non-acetone. I hope I got the right kind. Because one of them is like, it's really hard. Y'all let me know in the description box which one is the one for your real nails. Yeah, but I miss those little pink ones that be in the box that you can, it's already pre-wet and everything. I'll be glad when they bring those back. But yeah, I got this here for $1. Okay, got that there for $1. I also picked up this here Bio Blender 100% biodegradable cleansing mitt for your face. Okay, it's a cleansing mat, but it's super cute. Okay, so I picked that up. These things are so hard to open, y'all, sometimes. But yeah, I thought this was cute. There it is right there. And it's by Eco. Eco Tools. They have, it's Plant Me. So it's like plant-based and everything. So yeah, I got that for your face. You can wash your face with it. You can do whatever you want. Put your soap on here and use it. I mean, you know, you can put your makeup remover stuff off on here and, you know, take your makeup off. It's 100% certified biodegradable sponge, USDA certified natural ingredients, okay, to remove oil and dirt, okay, yes, all right, yes, wet sponge and go to town. Yep, I got that. I also got this Shea Raw Butter Soap. I picked up that as well. Yes, I haven't used Shea butter. It's compared to the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Soap. Okay, $1.25. Ain't nothing wrong with using a dupe if that's what you like. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay, so I also picked up the Collagen Gentle. It's by Be Pure. Be Pure products are really, really good. Essential Ageless Collagen Gentle Cream Cleanser with macadamia and jojoba oils. Wow. For the appearance of smoother, softer skin. Alright, I will be trying this tonight, y'all. Yes. And I also got with that, I got the Essential Ageless Collagen Nourishing Moisturizer. Okay, with niacinamide and vitamin E. Let's see how this feels. Y'all, one of my lights just went out. Hold on. And it ain't coming back on. It's probably hot. Okay, it's probably hot. I got this one right here. Okay, it's probably hot. And that one right there probably getting ready to go off as well. Oh, it's gonna get dark in here. Okay, and I got this here. I wanted to show you. Oh Lord, this stuff is packaged big. I wanted to feel it. See what it felt like. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, I like that. And it has a nice scent to it. Light scent. Yes, I love that. Oh, y'all, that feels so good. And this is like the moisturizing cream. Okay. Look at that. This set. Really nice. Okay. And I also picked up let me know if y'all use that right there, okay? What I just put up. Let me know if you use that. Oh, but I'm sorry, y'all. I got this here. Okay, it goes inside there like that. But I love anything that smells like watermelon. So this is by Be Pure as well. They have the whole set. This is Glow Up Night Moisturizer. Okay, Glow Up Night Moisturizer. Oh. That smells amazing. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. That feels good. Oh boy. That really smells. And it smells good. Yep. The scent is more in here than it is on your skin. To me. Okay. Alright, and going down, y'all, I picked up this here Cica Essence Mask, Way to Skin. I can't wait to use this. I got this. And I had the Real Veggie Farm double shot mask, avocado mask, y'all. It also had the carrot as well. But I definitely want to try this. I love avocado. I can just take an avocado and just slice it and eat it. It just tastes like butter to me. But y'all, yes. The lady said, I would be licking the thing at the register. She said, oh, look at that. I said, yeah. Chocolate face mask. Chocolate and strawberry. I was like, yes. I was like, oh my goodness. She said, honey, I will be licking the thing to see if it tastes like strawberry. I said, me too. I would be licking it to see if it tastes like strawberry. But yes, I thought this was so nice. I went to one of my favorite Dollar Trees today, here in New Jersey. But I love that Dollar Tree. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for being with me and, looking at my Dollar Tree haul. I love Dollar Tree, y'all. I need stock with them. I need stock with them. Because I'm in Dollar Tree at least 2 to 3 times a week. Yes. So, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all know God loves you, and so do I. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.